Hi guys, so today's look is really easy, really fresh, everyday natural makeup for mommies and people getting ready to work who do not have a lot of time in hand. So let's jump right in. I'm starting today's look by using Strobe Cream by MAC in the color Silver Lights. It gives moisture and makes your skin look dewy and glowy from within. Here I'm just dabbing a few dots on my face and then evenly spreading it into my skin. Next, I'm going in with the NARS concealer to conceal my under eyes and hide those dark circles and eye bags which you get from not enough sleep from being a mommy. Now using my beauty sponge and dabbing it into the skin. Now I'm gonna set my concealer in with the MAC's Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish using my Kabuki brush. So here we have achieved the flawless skin by using just two products, concealer and MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish. Next I'm going in with a liquid highlighter from Urban Decay called Naked Skin. Just spreading it on the high points of my face for that glowy, dewy, shiny skin finish. Now using my beauty sponge again, I'm spreading it into my skin. Now giving some dimension to the face, I'm using a Hoola bronzer from Benefit. To add some color to the face, I'm using a regular e.l.f. blush from drugstore. It is in a very pretty pink color and it gives a lot of color and a rosiness to your cheeks. And now to blend it all in, I'm using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish all over my face using my Kabuki brush. Next is filling in my eyelashes with Rocket Volume Mascara from Maybelline. And to finish this look, I'm using a matte finish lipstick from MAC in a color Whirl. It's a beautiful nude shade which completes this daytime, everyday natural makeup look perfectly. This is the complete finished look. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much everyone for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.